Jamie Lynn.
Jamie Lynn.
Come. Baby. Come.
Look at
Jamie.
Mama.
Are your feet sore or what? What's wrong with your feet? Are they sore? Oh, what?
Are you going to try it again? Good girl.
Oops.
Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Wait, let's see where.
Okay, don't let her go too much.
Yeah.
She's going to get turned off.
Let's see where. She wants to go again. She just keep wanting to go. Oh my goodness. Shh. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, take time. Take your time.
I love it when she stops.
Yeah.
It's like she's trying out something.
She's really balancing. Take it time. She's too excited. She's too excited. You're too excited. You're too excited. Are you going to get up? I think we had enough. I think we had enough. You've been doing it since we came in. Yeah. Have you had enough?